Almost all girls are fluent in doing makeup, but Instagram influencers are definitely among the top tier at getting transformative results. On top of the knowledge, it isn't at all uncommon to spend the same amount of time doing makeup for an Instagram post as Hollywood spends for movie makeup. Among successful Instagram models, it is common to pay large amounts of money for professionally done makeup for a single picture. Think of this as a business expense. Just look at before and after pictures and you may see a completely different person. If you want to become an Instagram pro, you need to study makeup and plan to pay for it to be professionally applied. Remember, makeup can make an average girl look extra and is the standard of beauty in today's social media society. There are many things a girl can do to make themselves go from average to very attractive in pictures. To begin with, angle your face downward. Doing so makes the head look smaller and simulates a taller man's point of view while looking at you. It is scientifically proven to be more attractive. Practice pursing your lips together to make them appear more full. This simulates lips of a girl with higher estrogen levels. Practice relaxed, seductive looks with eyes to draw in potential viewers. Remember, the goal is to get as many interested followers as possible, and men simply cannot resist an attractive woman with a seductive look. Remember to smile to give the viewer a sense of mutual interest, but be sure not to smile too much, as it may expose things like bad nasal labial folds. It is very advantageous to appear as if you were sending pictures to your boyfriend. Seductive poses like giving sex eyes, biting your lips, or opening your mouth wide can be simply irresistible to your viewers. Doing so can almost force any new men who view the picture to follow and reignite interest in current followers in an area saturated with similar high-quality content. Even if you don't have a great body, you can appear to if you follow a few basic tips while taking pictures. Always arch that back and accentuate the booty. Always suck in your tummy and poke your chest out to accentuate your chest area. If you want to give your personality a chance to shine, remember it's important to track your viewers by looking appealing. It's best to take pictures from an angle between the front and side. The trick is to let your midsection remain straight and angle your waist to make your hips appear wider. Shots from the back are easiest to manipulate, so remember to take lots. You can suck your stomach in as hard as you want from this angle with no chance of being noticed to create the appearance of good genetics. Sticking to these and side shots of your waist while sucking in and turning your lower half to make your butt look bigger should be your bread and butter. Not everyone has the time for diet and exercise, so learn how to go above and beyond without changing how you actually look. Yoga pants are basic for girls with fatty or cellulite legs, but more advanced Instagram influencers with more serious belly overflow use tummy control pants. These pants act as basic yoga pants, but also have a very strong band that goes far above the waist that can turn serious flab into serious fit. These clothing items have legitimately created some girls' careers.
Put me down basically and say I'm not good enough. Honestly, it hurts a lot coming from my dad.
Other fat hacks should be used like jutting one's head out while taking pictures to neutralize any double chin. If you don't think girls who are a little overweight can become popular Instagram models, just remember, body fat increases the size of many of your assets. Using these tricks to hide the negative side effects give you all the benefits of being a little chubbier with none of the drawbacks. Tight and skimpy should be your go-to clothing. For as long as you can project the image of being fit or skinny, the less clothes, the better. When dressed up, always go for tight-fitting clothes that either help shape your body or show it off as if you were basically naked. Actually being naked with body paint is truly next level, as it will definitely attract Instagram followers. And remember, even celebrities like Cara Delevingne have posted Instagram pictures while naked. When wearing actual clothing, try to show off your navel area. As much cleavage as possible, and ideally the lower part of the buttocks. Swimsuits should be very skimpy unless you're a bit bigger. Don't be afraid to show off your assets. It will attract many people who you can expose to your unique personality. Photoshop may be seen as cheating by some, but after all, your job can also be considered art. In the end, the final picture is all that matters. Photoshop, when not caught, is definitely not a crime. You can substitute weight loss, lack of assets, or even bad facial features. When we are talking about making hundreds of thousands of dollars and gaining the insane amounts of attention you deserve, there really isn't an excuse not to use it. It's basically like smarter Instagram filters. Easy Photoshop starters are changing skin tone or making body parts larger or smaller. Once you achieve moderate success, you can easily find a loyal follower to produce Photoshopped work, likely for free. Remember, this job is all about empowerment, so enjoy that extra slice of cake. Photoshop to the rescue. For some, this may be controversial, but they are all likely haters. Almost all top models have surgery to enhance their looks. Things like Botox and fillers are obviously easy things to accept and are also definitely good choices for aspiring Instagram models. Don't be put off from other surgeries like rhinoplasty and even implants. After all, money and attention are at stake here. Most people don't understand how hard work it is being an Instagram model, not being able to eat lots of cake, having to take lots of pictures sucking in your tummy, and being extremely insecure due to your livelihood being at stake constantly. That being said, it is probably best to keep your surgical procedures to yourself, as there are very judgmental people who will hate on you because they don't understand that everybody else is doing it. In modern times, becoming an online influencer is becoming more common and also more viable job for many young females. Not many years ago, it was seen as scandalous for young women to post the average Instagram model's pictures. Many would have never guessed being an Instagram model a viable job and desirable for advertisers. Despite the many pictures on the platform making you think average or even popular Instagram models are extremely genetically gifted, I can assure you many normal girls are capable of producing such content with creativity and effort. Unlike conventional modeling, Instagram pictures are simply a small piece of a moment in time.